I'm going to show you now is one of our more extreme props for Halloween. Now this is definitely more advanced, so you're going to like this. What we're going to do here is we're going to put some electricity into this gate. Now it's not necessarily to fry anybody, but we are going to scare them. What I have here is a chainsaw that I took the blade out of. This is a piece of 1/8 inch steel that I cut out with a cutting torch, something that resembles the blade. And then I welded on a bolt with a wing nut. If you want, you could probably have this done at one of your local welding shops. I'm sure the guy would be absolutely hysterical to know what you're trying to do, and he probably wouldn't charge you much, and he'd probably want to come see you do this. I also made this gate. Now, this requires an arc welder, a MIG welder, TIG welder, whatever you got. You basically could have this made inexpensively. All it is just rebar. That's like the reinforcement that goes inside concrete to give it strength. That's all it is. Then you just take it, leave it outside in your backyard, let it rust up. Now what I like to do is attach a car battery to this chainsaw. Now, one half of this is attached to my chainsaw, and the other I have attached over here to the gate. Now with this side of the jumper cable and that side on the gate, when I touch the metal blade to the gate, it makes arcing. It's basically shorting the battery out a little bit. You don't want to hold it for too long. You just want to run it across real quick. And it's safe. I'll show you how it looks. But first I'd like to put on some face protection. What I recommend, you have the battery hidden in the bushes and have your chainsaw hidden in the house. This way you could just come out, connect it, start it up, hit your gate, and that always sends the kids running. Cannot make a gate, and if you do have a gate on your property, you can attach a piece of expanded metal. Now, do the same exact thing that I just did. Basically, put a piece of expanded metal on your gate, hook the jumper cables up, and hit it with the chainsaw. If you don't want to use the full effect of the sparks, you could just take the blade out of your chainsaw, and you could just run it, put a little extra 2-cycle motor oil in there, and there'll be a nice big smoke cloud wherever you go running. And that's a lot of fun too. I've been doing that for years till I figured this one out. Now that scares the hell out of them.